not only updated the style of the house, breaking off that older 50s, 60s image, but also added to it the square footage and all the features that we would include in a new construction home.
Today, we're here to explore the transformation of a neglected split-level house into a modern masterpiece. While many investors might shy away from a property with fire damage and an outdated layout, Treetop Group thrives on uncovering opportunities in projects that others consider challenging. Architect Yael will guide us through this exciting journey.
The original house was a 1959 split level, old and outdated, which also had some fire damage. But the main challenge wasn't adding more square feet, which we did up and back, but dealing with the split level layout. Some examples for the challenges and the solutions we found for them. The stair. In the existing house, you entered to a small landing, then had a couple of steps to the living room level, then 7 perpendicular steps to the bedroom level. We changed the stair completely and resolved all these issues, created an open connection between the levels, and incorporated the stair as part of the big open space. We rotated it so it faces the entry, eliminated the 2 steps down at the entry so you enter directly at the living room level. Ceiling heights. Because this wasn't a tear down, we had to work with the existing levels, but we still raised the ceiling of the existing upper levels from 7.7 to 8.4 and then added another floor above each of these levels. We used the levels to our benefit. We organized the floor plan so the entry level is public. The next level up to the side is for the kids, and the new top level is a master suite. Each level has their privacy, but is still open to the stair and watches over the double height space of the living room, connecting it to the rest of the house. Connection to yard. The original house had a small door from the kitchen to a small landing in the backyard. We flipped the location of the kitchen and the dining space and placed a 3-pane glass door leading directly out to the new patio from the dining room. Open layout and natural light. The original layout wasn't open. There was not enough visual connection between the spaces, nor enough natural light. We opened up the layout completely, so there is a connection, both visual and physical, between the entry, living room, dining room, and kitchen, and natural light enters the house from all 4 directions. Master suite. The original house did not have a master suite. The new master is at the top new level of the house, with large spacious bedroom, a sitting area that is separated from the bed area by a double-sided fireplace, a large bathroom with a tub, shower, toilet, and a double vanity, and a large walk-in closet with a full-size window. Exterior. The exterior of the house is modern, but not too modern. It fits well within the neighboring buildings, but is unique enough that it has character and attracts the eye. Gently modern to fit into the Arlington existing building fabric in a way that will not become outdated in 10 years as building styles and fashions change. The new house has all the features that owners look for in any new construction home. It also has all new utilities. All of these obviously make this house an attractive listing for owners looking to buy in Arlington, Massachusetts.